Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, we're going to be giving you some grocery lists for pandemic shopping. So let's get to it. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. And hit the bell so you can get your what? Notification. The first thing that should be on your grocery list should be the Ezekiel bread. Now, what I love about this bread is that it is sprouted. It is whole grain, 100% sprouted and 100% whole grain. Now, it is low on the glycemic index. That means that if you are diabetic, this bread is perfect for you. It is naturally flavorful and it's packed full of nutrients, rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. So make sure you put this on your list. So the next thing that should be on your pandemic grocery list should be cereals. Now, cereals are good because they last for a very long time. Just be very mindful on the type of cereal that you get. Watch out for the sugar content. Other than that, cereal is a great staple for this time and situations that we're dealing with. Okay, guys, so let's talk grains. We are talking lentils, brown, green, yellow, red, or black, whichever you choose. They are great because they are low in calories, they are rich in iron and folate, and it's an excellent source of protein. So make sure you put that on your list, okay? Very important. Okay, guys, so let's talk beans. Now, beans are very important. They are packed full of antioxidants. They are heart healthy. They are also help to prevent a fatty liver, and they will also help to control your appetite, right? And don't forget that they are packed full of protein as well. Now, when you're going to go buy your beans for this pandemic shopping, I want you to look at the salt content, which is sodium content. Try to stick with organic canned beans if you can find it. Not a big deal if you cannot. All right, guys. So that's something to look for when you're buying your beans. Try to get organic. But if you can't find it because this is a pandemic shopping, it's okay. Get whatever you can. Okay, this probably should have been number one, sauerkraut. Now, sauerkraut improves your digestion, it boosts your immune system, and it may also help you to lose weight. Okay, it helps to reduce stress and maintain a healthy brain. All right, so make sure you get sauerkraut. That's very important. It's packed full of all these nutrients that we just spoke about. Let's talk pasta. Now, what I love about pasta is that it helps to sustain energy. It's carbohydrates, but we need a little bit of carbohydrates in our diet, and we can't really worry about that when we're doing our healthy pandemic grocery shopping. We are really worrying about what could last for a long time and feed a lot of people. So pasta is a great source of energy as well. So make sure you put pasta on your grocery list. Let's talk pasta sauce. Now, pasta sauce is good because it's going to last for a very long time. It could feed a lot of people, and it's also packed full of antioxidants. So go ahead and add that to your list as well. Okay, my healthy friends, let's talk about nut butters. Now, nut butter is great because they are packed full of nutrients, and you need something to put in that Ezekiel bread, and it's great for the kids. Something to eat. It's simple, it's easy, you don't have to do anything crazy about it, and it's gonna last for a long time. The main thing is that, is it gonna last? So that's what we need. We're looking for things that's gonna last for a while for our pandemic grocery list. Another thing that you're gonna add to your grocery list is going to be oats. Oats are great. They're packed full of soluble fiber. They help keep you full longer, and they also help to lower your cholesterol. So that's what you're looking for. Foods that's going to last longer, and they also have health benefits as well. So add oats to your grocery list. Add to your grocery list will be nuts. I love, 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 love nuts. They are a good source of fat, fiber, and protein, and they will not go bad. And whenever you feel a little hungry, you can just grab a few, and the entire family can enjoy it. So go ahead and add this to your healthy pandemic grocery list. Okay, guys, so before I go, the main thing is also not to forget about our animals. So we want to add that to our grocery list. Don't forget to get food for your animals because they need to eat as well during this difficult times. Also, wash your hands. Okay, that's very important. So that's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another video. And say it with me, stay healthy.